I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the objects your code targets. Open the immediate window and test workbooks. Book 1. XLSX to see if VBA can find it. If not, use workbooks. Open with the full path. Once done, confirm the worksheet name and module references are exact. VBA is literal. Make sure you aren't relying on active workbook unless intentional. These steps eliminate the most common causes quickly and let you move to debugging code that assumes missing workbooks or sheets. Next, focus on how your code references ranges and collections. You should replace unqualified range or cells calls with this workbook. Worksheets, Sheet 1, Range, or Workbooks, Name, Worksheets. That prevents Runtime 9 when another workbook is active. Also audit loops and array indexes. An index out of bounds throws the same error. Add bounds checks. If you use variables for names, print them to immediate to confirm values. Once corrected, step through with F8 to watch object resolution. To finish, add defensive coding and test thoroughly. Implement brief error handling around risky calls. On error, resume next, then capture error. Number to handle missing objects gracefully. You should also set breakpoints and inspect workbook and worksheet variables in the immediate window to confirm what exists at runtime. If automation accesses external files, ensure paths and network availability. One key troubleshooting tip: if the error persists, simplify to a minimal reproducible macro that targets a known workbook. That isolates whether naming or logic is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.